Hi there. Welcome back to Daily English from the News, the place for English learners to grow their vocabulary using real headlines. Today's headline is from the Reuters. Trump says administration is considering reclassifying marijuana. Let's break it down and learn two key words, reclassify and marijuana. Word 1, reclassify. Reclassify, verb, means to change the official category or group something belongs to. It comes from again, plus classify, put into a category. Example, the government reclassified the drug from high risk to low risk. Another example, the library reclassified old books into a new system. In this headline, reclassifying marijuana means the government may change how marijuana is ranked in the list of controlled substances. Word 2, marijuana. Marijuana, noun, is a drug made from the dried flowers and leaves of the cannabis plant. It can be used for medical purposes, to relieve pain, or recreational purposes, to feel relaxed or high. Example. Some states have legalized marijuana for medical use. So, Trump says administration is considering reclassifying marijuana means. Trump's government is thinking about changing marijuana's legal category, possibly making it less restricted than it is now. Now you've learned reclassify and marijuana. What's your opinion? Should marijuana be reclassified? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And remember, new words, new opportunities. See you next time.